Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. I once was lost, but now I am found. I was blind, but now I see. And seeing the multitudes, he went up into a mountain. And when he was set, his disciples came unto him. And he opened his mouth and taught them, saying, Blessed are the poor in spirit, for theirs is the kingdom of heaven. Blessed are they that mourn, for they shall be comforted. Blessed are the meek, for they shall inherit the earth. Blessed are they which do hunger and thirst after righteousness, for they shall be filled. When we've been there 10,000 years, bright shining as the sun, we've known less days to sing God's praise than when we first begun. Amazing grace, how sweet the sound that saved a wretch like me. And I once was lost, but now I am found. I was blind, but now I see. Blessed are the merciful, for they shall obtain mercy. Blessed are the pure in heart, for they shall see God. Oh, what? Don't go away, I'm begging you to stay, 'cause I'm gonna miss your love. Please don't go. Oh, really? Why? Because I'm gonna miss your love. The minute you walk out that door. But I gotta go to work, honey. No, I'm gonna miss your love the minute you walk out that door. Hey, everybody.
Okay.
Won't you consider becoming a patron? Patron?
No, that's not right.
Patron.
Yeah.
I can't even say it. Please become a patron saint and support BOOZHOO, NANABOOZHOO, the podcast about Ojibwe language and culture. But anyway, so he goes around healing people, telling people to love each other and share, to, walk the good road, to, love God and quit your lying and don't go blowing your money at the casinos, whatever. and they didn't like him for that. And so they crucified him. They hung him up on a cross. And they stabbed him and stuff. And I came to realize this year that I think the most horrible pain of all that was that the big sin we all have is selfishness, is jealousy, whatever. I think, people talk like when Jesus was crucified, everybody hated him. And we're shouting at him, how dare you tell me you love me, But I don't think it was that at all. I think the people were like they are today, where he happened to get crucified, but most people didn't even pay attention. They're like, oh, what happened? Oh, did Mary's boy get... Yeah, well, he shouldn't have run his mouth. And they went back to their lives, unaffected. Now, all these years later, this whole merry band of, men in tights or men in robes, the 12 disciples, they get treated like they're gods too. But each one of them kind of betrayed Jesus. They didn't try to protect him at all. They never understood what he was really about. They didn't really believe he was God's son. But there you go. So, Indian people. There you go, kids. Just because I know even if your grandma is dragging you to church, you probably never were told a straight answer of who Jesus was and what it's all about. Jesus said there's a heaven when you die. If you're good, you go to heaven. If you're bad, I think he said you go to hell. Yeah, he's God's son. And he walked around earth many years ago and told us all about heaven and stuff like that.